unboxing from my love, Carrie. I'm going to do it. I'm going to open it now. I almost cried. I'm trying to hold it back. This has just made my entire freaking COVID stay at home. Oh my goodness, thank you. Sorry, I can't even read. Thankful for you all year long. I'm about to cry, but you wouldn't know the difference. Look at these butterflies. And you know what, Carrie? My mother always shows up as a butterfly, so this is even more emotional. Oh my goodness. And here we go. Thank you, my love, Carrie. Thank you. Oh man, hold on. Ooh. I'm gonna open them one by one after, but on this, I just have 3 minutes to check out all of the beautiful stuff that Carrie has sent me. Whoa. And I'm showing my daughter as I go along. Wow, gorgeous. And I love the little wrapping, by the way, my love. Thank you. She individually wrapped Barbieri Zodiac Oracle. I'm like speechless. The Enchanted Lunar Lamp. I'm going to open it now. Tarot Grand Lux. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, and another one. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Astral Reigns. Crystal Oracle. Excusez-moi. 7 Oracle of the 7 Energies. Whew. Beautiful. Look at those colors. I can't wait to see them all and show them off on my channel, Carrie. Thank you so much. I'm going to see that lamp now. Here's my daughter preparing it for me. Wow. Such a beautiful gesture. Oh, let's turn it on. Come on. I just am overwhelmed with happiness. Carrie, I love you so much. Thank you. Look at this gorgeous little lamp. Wow. And this card is spectacular. I've never seen something so intricate. It's gorgeous. Thank you, Miss Carrie. I love you.